Are you going to hit it? Ooh, you hit it. Do it again. Wait. You got to aim good. Ooh, you hit it.
Why am I hitting the target?
Ooh, you hit it again. Right-handed.
Got it.
Ooh, Caleb hit it.